I thought running an Amazon business was simple. List a product and watch the sales roll in. But no, it is not that easy. Without PPC, it is like throwing a party and forgetting to send out invitations. No one shows up. That is why in this series we are diving deep into Amazon PPC, breaking it down step by step to help you go from empty room to a packed house. Let's dive in. So let's start from the basics. What is Amazon PPC? Amazon PPC stands for pay per click. It is Amazon's advertising platform where sellers bid on keywords and products in an auction based system. When a shopper clicks on an ad, the advertiser pays an Amazon a fees. There are three main types of ads. First, sponsor products. Think of these as a personal invitations. Sponsored product shows up right in the search results mixed with organic listings or on other product pages. You have probably seen them before. Those listings with a small sponsored label right below the titles. These ads are perfect for promoting individual products, especially when you are just starting out. Secondly, sponsor brands. Sponsor brands are more like billboards for your brands and they comes in two styles: banner ads and video ads. The banner ads showcase your brand logo and up to 3 products in a banner at the top of search results. These ads are great if you want to increase brand awareness or promote a range of products. And then the video ads. These ads show short, engaging videos of your products directly in the search results. These are super effective because they grab attention quickly and can highlight your products in action. And thirdly, sponsored display ads. Sponsored display is Amazon's way of letting you follow Amazon shoppers even after they leave your product. Ever looked at something on Amazon, left the site, and then saw that product ad later on another website? Yes, that is sponsored display ads. It is a powerful tool for retargeting people who showed interest but did not buy. Now let's talk about how PPC actually works. It is all about auctions. Here is how it goes. You and other sellers bid on the same keywords and the highest bidder wins. Let's say you are selling yoga mats and you bid 90 cents on the keyword yoga mats for men. If another seller bid 81 cents, you win the auction because you bid the higher. But here is the cool part. You do not actually pay 90 cents. You only pay few cents more than the second highest bid. So in this case, you would probably pay around 82 or 83 cents, even though your bid was 90 cents. Now it is not just about the bidding the highest. Amazon also cares about ad rank. Ad rank is a combination of your bid and how relevant your product is to the keywords. So even if someone bids higher, if your product is more relevant, you can still win. But here is the question. Why should you care about Amazon PPC? There are 3 reasons: visibility, sales, and scaling. First, visibility. Amazon has millions of products and PPC puts yours in front of the right shoppers. Without it, your listing might sit on page 10 where no one is looking. With PPC, you can land right on the page 1 where all the action happens. Second, driving sales. PPC does not just get you clicks, it gets you qualified clicks. These are shoppers actively searching for products like yours. More clicks leads to more sales, and those sales helps you boost organic rank. The better your rankings, the less you will be needing to rely on the ads in the long run. And lastly, scaling your business. Once you know what is working, whether it is specific keywords or ad types, you can pour more budgets into those winning campaigns. That is how you go from steady sales to serious growth. Now that you know what PPC is, let me give you a simple framework to keep in mind as you start running your campaigns. Think of PPC as having 3 key pillars: bidding, targeting, and optimization. Let's have a look at each one. Bidding: how much you are willing to pay for a click. Bidding controls how much you pay when someone clicks on your ad. Start with small, manageable bids to gather data before increasing them. Targeting: who sees your ads. This is all about who sees your ads. You can target keywords, product categories, or even specific competitor products. The more relevant your targeting is, the better your chances of converting clicks into those sales. And lastly, the optimization. Keep improving to get better results. PPC is not something you can set once and forget. You will need to keep adjusting your bids, adding negative keywords to block irrelevant searches, and refining your targets based on what is working. Master these three pillars: bidding, targeting, and optimization, and you will be on your way to running profitable campaigns. We will cover each of these in detail in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Now, here is a quick challenge. Take a look at your product listing this week and ask yourself, are my titles, bullet points, and backend keywords optimized? If not, start there. Your listing is the foundation of a successful Amazon PPC campaign. Once you have polished it, you will be ready to dive into campaigns with confidence. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss next week's episode, where we will be setting up your first campaign together step by step. Stay focused, keep pushing forward, and I will see you in the next video.